Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you will get to know that how you can send voice messages on Discord. But before moving forward, first make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your Discord application and now swipe left to open your chat screen. Now here, you can see that among the options given at the bottom of your screen, there is a microphone icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, to send the voice message, all you need to do is tap and hold the microphone icon and record your voice message. And release the icon once the recording is done. I'm gonna show you how. Now you can see that my voice message has been sent. So everyone, this is the simple way of sending voice message on Discord. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.